to you? Don't worry, I can help. If your trumpet is very difficult to blow air through, or it sounds very strange, it's probably because your valves are in the wrong order. If you accidentally took more than one valve out at a time, they could be in the wrong valve casing. I'm going to unscrew my valves and look and see, and the valves are numbered right above the gray metal piston. You can see that this valve says it's a number 2. So it's obviously in the one valve casing. So I'm going to set that aside. Let's see what this valve says. And the number engraved on this valve is number 1. So I know that this should be in the first valve casing, so I'm going to switch it. And remember to push your valve buttons halfway down and get the thread started so they start really easily. And then I'm going to put valve 2 back in the valve 2 slot. Now let's see if my trumpet sounds better. It still doesn't sound right, but do not fear. That is probably because I didn't line up my valve guides. Remember that we must turn the valve buttons clockwise to the right until we hear a click. So I'm going to, now valve 1 seems to be locked. I can't turn that, so I'm going to turn valve 2 up and it turns, and then I heard it lock. Did you hear it lock? Let's try it again. And now that my valves are aligned, I can play my trumpet again.